Here I am approaching a hill, and I'm not pedaling at all. There, let me go down here so you can see. See? I'm just sitting on the bike, and we're moving away, heading up the hill very effortlessly. Works very good. Going about 22 kilometers an hour. And this is not an overly powerful motor by any means, but and if I release the throttle and start pedaling, I get pedal assist as well. So the motor starts up when I start pedaling. I can turn that off or turn it on or do whatever I want with it. But I'll just use the throttle for now. Yeah, works pretty good. Beautiful country out here. It's a lovely day. And I'm not breathing hard at all from over pedaling up this hill. So having a great time.